friends, I'm Heather, and this is first reading of Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccup! Oh no, Pete has a hiccup. Hiccup, hiccup. Who do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad. How do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Grumpy Toad. You stayed on one foot. Pete stayed on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Kelly, How do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Kelly. You stand on one foot and hop and down. Pete stayed on one foot. He hopped up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Gus, How do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop and down and sing a song. Pete stayed on one foot. He hopped and down. He sing a song.
Sing a song.
Song, song, song.
Song, song, song.
Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has hiccup.
Oh my god.
Pete asked Bob, How do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stay on one foot and hop and down and sing a song and rub your belly, said Bob. Pete does it. Hiccup, nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Pete asked Mom, How do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Mom. You take a deep breath. He take a breath. Pete take a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, said Mom. Pete hold his breath. He blow his breath out. That's it? Pete asked. That's it, said Mom. Pete waits and he waits and he waits. The hiccups are gone!
Wow!
Maybe Mom is right. Mom are so smart. Friends, how the feel the Pete got hiccups? Pete is surprised, and how the Pete know how to get out the hiccups? Mom knows it. Everyone knows the answer, but Mom know the answer, and Pete is thanks, and I am so happy to him. Next time I'll bring another fun story. Thank you for coming to my story. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.